Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add your own AI chatbot to your website. Now before I properly get started on this video, if you want to try out this tool for yourself, I have included a link at the top of the description, so go ahead and click on that to be brought to this website so that we can start setting up this chatbot. Now in order to add this AI chatbot to our website, we are using a website called Galley, and they actually have this installed into their own website, so you can click this button in the bottom right corner and Galley actually appears, the AI powered chatbot. So from here you can ask it questions, and they also have some pre-installed questions as well, like why is it better than a normal chatbot? So we can click to ask it that, and after a few seconds it gives us a detailed reason on why it is better than a normal chatbot. Now Galley actually runs off ChatGPT, so you know you're getting accurate information and you know that you can trust it. They have a video down here showing how they can create the chatbot and publish it in just a few minutes, and they say that it only takes 10 minutes. All you have to do is sign up, customize the appearance, add some sources and train it, and then from there you can add it to your website. So I've now signed up for Galley and I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your own chatbot. All you have to do is go in the top right corner and start creating your chatbot, and then give it a name. From there you can click create and you can start going through all these settings for your bot. So you can change its name, the engine model, and you basically just want to go through all these things and customize it exactly how you like. From there you can change the appearance, so you can give it its name, you can show an icon for when it appears, and you get a whole bunch of different customization options. And once you've got it all set up and you're happy with it, you can then embed it into your website or share it. So you can either share the URL, embed it as a widget, or embed it as an iframe. Now in terms of the pricing, it's not too expensive as their cheapest plan is actually $19 per month. And with that you get all of these features here. However, if that's not enough, you can upgrade for $99 a month. And from here you get double the amount of chatbots and tons more features. And then if that's still not enough for you, you can actually go for the enterprise plan, which will cost $499 a month. However, you do get all of this with it. So if you can utilize this for your business, then it is definitely worth it. Now, as I mentioned earlier, if you are interested in signing up for this, click my link at the top of the description to get taken straight to this website. And from there, you can start setting up your own AI chatbot. So that's how you can add an AI chatbot to your website. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.